Heavy rains over the last 2 days have wreaked havoc in Hyderabad. Torrential rains left a trail of destruction behind. Roads are inundated with cars and people swept away in flood waters. 11 people have lost their lives in Hyderabad, including 2-month-old infant who died in a wall collapse in Mohammedia Hills due to heavy rains. In a dramatic video there, a man was seen being swept away by rampaging flood waters. The man tries to grab hold of a pole that comes in the path, but fails as he was pushed by strong currents. A road which leads to the Hyderabad airport, on the other hand, in Gagan Pahad area, has also been completely destroyed. The road has caved in right next to an under-constructed flyover. Many vehicles, including buses, trucks, have fallen in, causing widespread damage in the area, and several lives were also lost in the incident. Parts of the old Hyderabad city, have been completely inundated, and situation now remains grim on ground. Jawaharlal Nehru Technology University and Osmania University have now postponed examinations scheduled for today and tomorrow. The meteorological department has also predicted heavy, light to moderate rain or thunder showers in parts of Hyderabad today.
We are at the Bala Reddy Nagar of Toli Chowki area of Hyderabad city, and you can see it's almost knee to waist deep water, and these good Smartian we can call, they themselves are helping to all these stranded residents of this particular locality, this particular residential area. Since no one from the government side, no one from administration side has come, so they are distributing food among all those who are stranded in this area. You can see the water, how this dirty sewage water has completely submerged in this entire area. How many, कितने घर है साहब यहाँ पे?
यहाँ पे 500 घर है यहाँ पे टोटल. यहाँ से लेके आपको ये इंट्रेंस बालरेड्डी नगर है, फिर ये निर्जा लगता है, आपको विरासत लगता है, इसमें आपको अकबरपुरा लगता है, इसमें 4 से 5 कॉलोनी से जो कि पूरे डूब चुके हैं. कम से कम 400-500 लोग जो है ना घर जो डूब चुके हैं. हम तकरीबन लोगों को निकाले और तकरीबन लोगों को फुट पहुंचा है अब तक. अभी हम ये देखिए कि अभी फुट कम पड़ा तो हम लेके आए, हमारे कम से कम पूरी टीम मिलके हम जो है ना खिदमत करें लोगों की.
कौन अभी तक प्रशासन की तरफ से, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की तरफ से कोई आया है? जीएचएमसी की तरफ से, डीआरएफ की तरफ?
कौसर मोइनुद्दीन साहब की तरफ से जो है ना 1-2 किश्ती आ चुके हैं अपने जो है ना नदीम कॉलोनी में एक आई. जस्ट अभी जो है ना 5-10 मिनट्स बैक जो है ना एक कश्ती आई, अभी वो अंदर गई एक कश्ती. अभी और कश्ती की जरूरत है, एक कश्ती से कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है. शुक्रिया, हम चाहते हैं कि कौसर मोइनुद्दीन जो है ना एक विजय हमको.
So clearly Kausar Moinuddin is the local MLA, MIM MLA, and he has sent a few votes here. And this is the situation here at Bala Reddy Nagar. This entire Toli Chowki area, this is almost a similar kind of situation has been reported in the entire area. And these volunteers now helping the locals to survive in this heavy rain and flooding caused by overnight rain. This is sewage water. In fact, this is not a clean water. This is sewage water, sewage mixed water, in which all these houses are completely submerged and facing severe difficulty here. So this is the situation here in Bala Reddy Nagar. This is Ashish reporting for India Today.
बहुत गए सर, उधर बहुत गए, अभी डॉब में बहुत गए, पब्लिक गए और लाशा गए, कार में बैठे सो लोग गए अंदर, बहुत लोग गए मगर मिल रहे नहीं, पूरा उधर गए सर. ये पहली बार देखे साहब, ये बहुत खतरनाक हुआ साहब. ये
मेरा बेटी गया, 2 बच्चे गए और एक जो है सो बेटी गई. एक बच्चा इधर बह गया पानी में. रात के 2 बजे पानी आया था, पूरा बात लात मार के चले गया.
2 बजे आया था बारिश, 5 बजे तक पानी था बाढ़, और 40 गाड़ी तक अंदर गए. 2-4 बच्चे भी गए, 25 के लगभग हमारे सामने से गया. उसके हमारे सामने से बाद में देखा नहीं हम लोगों ने कितना गया कर.
India Today's Ashish also visited Gagan Pahad area of Hyderabad. Here's what he found: the flood hit area.
The intensity of rain, you can just imagine that these trucks, these cars washed away, and then completely it looked like that it is crushed by some heavy boulder or something. The entire stretch is completely devastated. You can see the entire road has washed away. This is the situation of one important road of Hyderabad, which connects Hyderabad International Airport, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. I'll ask my camera person to show that how administration is now trying to resume this entire stretch. These cars, they are trying to remove all these cars. They all were washed away in last night heavy rain. This is the situation here. In this entire area, the entire road stretch has completely washed away, and now administration is trying to restore the connectivity to the airport. This side also, I'll ask my camera person to show that how a big container truck with four-wheelers like Innova cars, SUV cars, they are completely dashed, crashed in each other due to yesterday night heavy rain. Apart from Hyderabad, several other districts of Telangana, neighboring states of Andhra Pradesh also, it is witnessing heavy to very heavy rainfall. Now weather department has predicted more rains. With camera person Damodar, Ashish in Hyderabad for India Today.
Now let's take a listen there to a resident who shot a video of an overflowing Hussain Sagar Lake.
Today's view, look at the tankment overflowing, view from Alpine Towers. The entire tankment is overflowing. See, you can see the park being submerged. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Even the park is totally flooded. Look at the water flowing, rushing out. Rushing out. Look at fury. Terrifying. And we still have 2 more days of rain.
There you have the VC Sajanar, the Commissioner of Police of Hyderabad, has appealed for people to stay indoors.
पब्लिक को हम लोग रेस्क्यू करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से और इंतजाम किए गए। पब्लिक मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, आज कल भी बहुत बारिश है करके बोल रहे, तो सब लोग आप घर पे रहने के लिए मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं। तो आज यहाँ पे 3 लोगों का डेथ हो गए और बहुत सारे लोग भी, बहुत सारे व्हीकल्स भी डैमेज हुआ है।
Not only Hyderabad, but rains wreaked havoc in other parts of Andhra Pradesh as well due to deep depression formed over the Bay of Bengal. 7 people have lost their lives due to heavy rains, which disrupted normal life. The worst hit districts are East Godavari, West Godavari, Srikakulam, the Viziagnagaram, Vishakhapatnam and Krishna. Several roads in Vishakhapatnam, East Godavari and Krishna were flooded. Trees uprooted during the storm, blocking vehicles. In East Godavari, a small building was collapsed. In fact, due to heavy rains, thankfully no casualties were reported there. Traffic movement has also been affected severely in several parts of Hyderabad. Vijayawada highway there has been completely blocked. IMD has also meanwhile warned of thunderstorms along coastal regions in Andhra Pradesh. Heavy rains are also expected to lash Andhra Pradesh over the next 24 hours. Akshita explains to us what's really causing the flood-like situation in Telangana, Andhra. Let's take a listen.
The reason we saw record rainfall really in places like Hyderabad was because of a deep depression that moved from the Bay of Bengal into Andhra as well as Telangana. But I just want to show what the forecast is and what the situation is going to be in the coming days as well. Let me just highlight here that this is the deep depression that you see here, and Hyderabad is right here. So yesterday, in fact, this depression was passing by this entire area, which is why you saw a very heavy rainfall in Vijayawada, Vishakhapatnam, Hyderabad. It's now moved beyond Hyderabad. It's moved almost to southern Maharashtra and North Karnataka. So it looks like at this point the worst is over for Hyderabad. The Met Department, because you can still see that there is, the blue here represents that there is some part of the depression that's still over Hyderabad. It's a gloomy day. There will be intermittent showers, but no record rainfall, no torrential downpour expected because it's moved past Telangana and into Maharashtra. Let me just show you what the forecast is also for the coming days. If I were to show for tomorrow, you can see that it's moved further away onto coastal Maharashtra. So then minimum impact of the depression, which is already weakened also in the next 24 hours, will be felt over Hyderabad and other parts of Telangana as well as Andhra Pradesh. So the situation is getting better. No more rainfall really that's expected today or tomorrow. It will be very scattered rainfall because the depression is moving away, further weakening as well. That is the forecast at this point. All efforts are on with regards to relief and rescue work. At this point, fingers crossed, the weather seems to be much better when compared to yesterday.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, Like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.